Yes, my people, once again, Dirt Bike Jamaica TV, you know? Let's try a look at things still on the cheap Chinese dirt bike. I'm gonna practice now, I'm gonna practice coasting. Yeah, man, just stay tuned, my people. Manners. Alright, look where I get better. Step by step. One more time. One is a long one. One more long one again. Alright. Now for bear with me, I'm gonna have an editing machine. Buckler, alright. Once again. Can't really make no long video, just a short video this, you know? Alright. Woo! That's not too bad. Try it again one more time. Alright. Alright, so while I'm on there, then. Right. Practice make perfect, you know? Practice make perfect, man, you know? Alright. A long fucking stretch. Nice. Try it again. Alright, not too bad. Not down too bad at all. Try it again. Oh, that's wild. That messed up. Alright. Hopefully. choice, you know. Post probably look just right, you know. A nice one there. Get one more right here. Still need some more lesson people. I'm gonna call it a day now, probably tomorrow again. Alright, take it easy. Remember, like up the video, like it up, you know. Give me a bus. Alright, respect.